So just a quick daily update on XRP then. As we can see, nothing again happening today. Still putting in our range in our local area like a lot of altcoins are that have yet to break out to the upside. We've obviously seen some altcoins at this point start to move to the upside. XRP, however, still chopping sideways in this range that we've seen ever since we came down and had that big dump in April when Bitcoin was, retracing. We saw a huge liquidation for XRP. As you often see, lots of people tend to short XRP at the minute, and you can see we came down here with this big liquidation event, putting in the range since then at this area of support. If you look at the daily time frame, you can see this area of support has been holding for some time. We're currently at that level and waiting for some further relief for XRP in the market. Right now, Bitcoin looking very, very bullish to me and is probably going to start leading XRP to the upside soon. But right now, we are basically just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next. Overall, XRP still in this big coiling motion, waiting for its time in the sun. That lawsuit probably going to be settled this year. But overall, right now, we are just waiting and seeing what's going to happen with Bitcoin next. So.